In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a customer registration form to your Shopify store. We'll cover two simple approaches. First, using the free Shopify Forms app, and second, embedding a form from a third-party tool like JotForm or ElfSite. By the end, you'll have a clean, functional registration form live on your storefront. Let's start with Shopify's own solution. Begin by installing the Shopify Forms app from the Shopify App Store. It's free and integrates smoothly with your theme. Once it's installed, head to your Shopify admin, open Apps, then Forms, and choose Create Form. When prompted for the type, select Inline Form. Inline simply means the form appears directly on a page, rather than as a pop-up. Give your form a clear name so you can find it later, then click Create. Now customize it to match your needs. For a registration form, include fields like name and email, and add any other details you want to collect. Keep it concise. Short forms convert better. Consider adding a brief success message so customers know their submission went through, and match the styling to your brand colors for a cohesive look. Next, add the form to your store. Go to Online Store, then Themes. Click Customize on your current theme, and add the form section to the page where you want it to appear. In the section settings, select the form you just created from the drop-down. Save your changes. If you see a prompt about theme app embeds, activate the embed to make sure the form displays. Preview on desktop and mobile to ensure everything looks right and is easy to fill out. If you prefer or need more advanced features, you can use a third-party app. Create your form in a tool like JotForm or ElfSite, customizing the fields just as you did before. When you're done, locate the embed or share code the app provides. In Shopify, go to Online Store, then Pages, and click Add Page. Give the page a clear title, like Customer Registration. In the content editor, switch to the HTML view using the Show HTML option, then paste in the embed code. Save the page and click View Page to confirm the form appears correctly on your site. Whichever method you choose, always submit a test entry to confirm the fields, the success message, and any follow-up email work as expected. Keep your form simple, use clear labels, and review it on mobile devices to ensure a smooth experience for your customers.